Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix AliExpress payment error. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to fix your payment issues here with AliExpress, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you may want to double check your payment options or your payment methods. So at the bottom right of the screen, you want to go and click on your account. Now from here, you want to go and choose payment. And from here, double check the necessary information. Now from then on, you can go and select your cards here and make sure that your card is still valid. Now if your card is no longer valid or your payment method is no longer valid, well, in this case, payments may be declined. So in this case, you may want to add the new card that you have or update your information here, just to be on the safe side. Now, if you don't or if you are still having issues, you can actually contact support. Now at the top right of the payment page here, you have the support button. So go and click on the support button here at the top right. It will redirect you to Help Center. Now inside the Help Center here, you want to scroll down a bit here. Click on Ordering and Payment. Go ahead and choose the option that says Payments. Now from here, you want to go and choose the Why Did My Payment Fail? And from here, you want to go ahead and select the product that you actually failed or the payment that actually failed on. Now let's go and choose the very first one. Now it's going to give you some information about what actually happened here, but if you want to have a specific or the platform specifics here and maybe like have AliExpress check the product for you, now you can go and choose the please check for me, and you can go and just choose the payment error code that you saw on your screen. So go and choose one of them. And from here, it's going to say this payment amount exceeds your transaction. So it will explicitly say or state here what actually went wrong. So in this case, like for example, if the payment method exceeds your transaction limit here, means that you need to choose or maybe use a different payment method because your transactions, the transactions that is available or in your card or in the account that you added before or your payment method has exceeded. So again, you may need to use a different account in order for you to proceed with the payment. But then again, it totally depends on your issues here. Now, in here, you should have the option, depending on the issue that you are going to see in here, you should have the option to chat with the chatbot here inside the app in AliExpress. Now, also, you can go and just choose or answer no in here, and maybe like, let's just say, do a brief description of what actually happened in here, and go and click on submit, and this will basically generate or send a feedback to AliExpress help team here. So yeah, so in this case, that's how you actually fix this issue. But just in case, if you really want to reach out to support, you go and choose the option that says online services at the very bottom in the help center page, and from then on, you just need to describe your issue and properly describe what actually happened here. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.